Today I want to talk to you about a pretty common topic we get asked about is if we take insurance. Our practice takes every plan of insurance that the hearing aid industry offers. We're proud to say we're most likely the only practice in the area that does all that. The benefit for you is that by taking your insurance, that we will bill the insurance for you. We will verify the plans, meaning that we'll tell you the information you need to know about your coverages and what those costs will be, and as well as we are the only ones in town that have access to all the Medicare plans. In the last really 3 to 4 years, we've seen a big uptick in Medicare having some costs and some coverages, and we can gladly help tell you what those coverages are as well as accept those plans for you. So if you're looking for someone who does take insurance to help you with your hearing and hearing aid needs, please give us a call.